friends of Mommy. I'm Inara, and behind me is my baby brother Noah. And today we are making squishy hand soap.
Okay, hello everyone. Inara, what is your reminder to everybody to?
Always wash your hands because it's important to keep the virus away. And you should teach your baby brother or your baby sister.
Okay, thank you. So the ingredients we will need for the DIY squishy hand soap are 1/2 cup of cornstarch. And, okay, you put everything, babe. Inara, you pour everything. Okay, there you go. Pour everything, my love, please. Okay, and the next thing that we will need is 1/8 cup of pure liquid Castile soap. If you don't have Castile soap at home, you may use any available liquid hand soap. Okay, go ahead, Inara, and pour the soap. And next, you will need 4 teaspoons of oil. For this, I used extra virgin coconut oil. And last but not the least, you will need food coloring. Right, Inara? What colors did you choose for today?
I have orange and yellow.
Why?
I mean red and yellow.
Why?
Because it makes orange.
Orange. Okay, great. Now, go ahead. Okay, go.
And I'm mixing.
Now, this is the fun part. Right, Inara? So,
Yes, because you get to mix and you get to touch the fluffy
cornstarch.
cornstarch. And I said yes.
Okay, so you will just continue kneading and mixing all the
If it
ingredients.
doesn't like turn into orange, you need to put more of this.
Okay. So you just need to keep on pressing them together until you create a squishy ball. And you can add more coloring, okay, as needed. Alright? Okay, and then later on, we're gonna show you the finished product. Right, Inara?
Yes.
Okay, now say thank you to everyone for listening.
Thank you.
Give them the perfect smile.
Okay, now we are going to test it out.
So how do you test it, Inara? You get a pinch, right?
You get a pinch and then you rub it. And then you have bubbles.
Right. Okay. That's your finished product. Right? Okay. Thank you for turning the faucet off while you're washing your hands. But don't worry, the color will come off easily. Right, baby?
While when you wash